astroturfing, which is the idea of you planting or using bots to stimulate grassroots support. And that's been, something that's happening all across the world, including in Jamaica, of course. And basically, it happens because as a politician or as a politics, you really want to show that you have a lot of supporters. And one of the easiest ways to do that, to encourage comments, because who comments first, right, is if you have comments already on a post. And it's not very expensive to do because AI has lowered the cost. It's not a complicated thing to do. So basically, you set out what type of comments that you want, and then you can notice on any sort of post, either whether it's a newspaper post or any politician's post that you see lots of comments on. They're saying similar or the same thing over and over, like it's on message. And if you click on a profile, and people can go on itself and see, and they say, oh, the profile is all registered on the same date. It has very, names like Keisha876 or Malcolm9210, and then it just says whatever the message of the day for either party.